YouTube, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. Just got over this crazy fever, so doing well. But in today's video, I got a couple pickups I want to show you guys. Shout out Battlecraft. So show you guys that later on in the video. But shout out to Michael, Feather Solutions. So if you guys don't know what Feather Solutions is, he basically started making parts for FD2 conversions. So he has anything from bumper brackets to taillight brackets, which we're gonna get into later in the video. So if you guys want to do the taillights, he has the quick and easy conversion harness for you guys. I want to show you guys what I just recently got. I got a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'll probably make a separate video to explain the new vlog setup, because if you guys don't remember, I do have the DJI mic setup as well. So I haven't really set anything up yet. I don't even know if this is compatible with this. I hope it is. If not, then I don't know, maybe I'll get the one that's, you know, comparable to this. But shout out to Seiko Speed. If you guys don't know what Seiko Speed is it basically a one-stop shop for all of your car part needs. They did send out this big box right here. This is something that I've actually been wanting to install on the car. Kind of forgot about it and just kind of got lost in all the conversion stuff. So again, Seiko Speed, I'm gonna put the link in the description down below. You guys can check out all the stuff, anything you need, coilovers, short shifters. Kev, thank you for sending this out to me. What I have here is, give me a second here, a box within a box, a set of hybrid racing shifter cables. When I bought my car, I didn't really know the condition of like the clutch or anything like that. I knew that it was full bolt-ons, and I knew that, you know, there was like aftermarket suspension and things like that. So, you know, the condition of the cables, I didn't really inspect or look at yet. So what better way to do that now when I have a new set, show my experience, do the install, let you guys know like how it is. They just come in this box. You guys have seen shifter cables before. I'm not really gonna go too much into detail, but they ship pretty fast, guys. Cannot wait to throw these on the car. Looks like we got a couple metal clips or clasps here, I guess. We have, so if I'm not mistaken, this big spring here is the shift selector spring, in addition to that small one inside. I don't know, I do have to double check, but it looks like they give us the cotter pins for the, I think the bushing, Yeah, so it comes with the actual like clamps to clamp on the cables. First pickup out of the way, we're gonna be doing an install on this in the next couple weeks. I just have to plan ahead and see when I can actually do this. All right, so the next pickup is something that we're gonna need in the near future. So for those that don't know, me and Lauren are expecting our second child. It's crazy. But anyways, for those that, you know, have kids and dads out there that understand, stuff gets a little expensive when you're getting stuff for kids. Shout out to my mom. Mom, if you're watching, love you. She sent over a stroller. It's really cool. Remember, I told you guys, I'm all about functionality, right? Like I like stuff that's multi-purpose, multi-use. It's called a Duna stroller. And I don't know if you guys are familiar with it, but let me go ahead and show you guys. This is the stroller here, and it's a car seat that is built into the stroller. So your base is right there. This goes onto the seat. This car seat opens up as a stroller, and then when you're done, you kind of just, it collapses and then sits on top of the base, which I thought is really cool. Like the baby's not even here yet, but it's kind of cool, like, you know, that we have it. And guys, let me tell you something. This stroller is like $600, which is crazy. That's a lot of money for a stroller. So I hope you guys are having all a good day today. It is really hot out, but we're gonna fight through this. Bruh, I just washed her and she's already dirty. Like, this is crazy. I feel like I got like a cameraman in here or something. Oh, one more real quick thing. It is summer now, especially here in Arizona or wherever you live. I do recommend these covers by Covercraft. So it's these foldable, like hard body type reflective sun visors that are custom fit for your car. It just sits over the windshield. You can use your visors to go ahead and hold it into place. Covers up your dash, your steering wheel, nothing gets hot, and then the shift knob. I have like a sock if I have to put something on there, but yeah, definitely check them out. Not a sponsored video or anything like that, but I've had it on pretty much most of my cars. Let's go ahead and pop the trunk, or do you guys say boot? All Alright guys, so for those who are new to the channel, this is my 2008 Civic Si, and yes, I did do the JDM conversion. What we're going to do today is replace the brackets that I have in there with these nice Feather Solutions brackets. We are now in my trunk, and light isn't the greatest, but I do have this light. Shout out to Harbor Freight. Hold it up here so that way we have some light. So first thing you need to do is take off your inner lining here. So I'm gonna do that now. So if you guys notice, the bracket that I have here does not really look that good. So really what I'm gonna do is just take out this bracket here and then replace it with this one. So let's go ahead and do that now. So I think you're gonna need an 8mm. I thought it was 10, but it's 8. Alright, so this bracket's coming off, and this basically was what I used to hold my light in, and you could just get this at, like, I don't know, Home Depot or something like that, but definitely does not look better than this right here. So go ahead and install this, and yeah, I think essentially. All right guys, so just a quick update. So I basically messed up and installed them wrong, and it's funny because I installed them wrong, and then I sent it to Michael, and he's like, yo, you installed them wrong, and I was like, bro, I felt so embarrassed. So Michael, I'm sorry, I apologize, but they're actually supposed to look like this. So if you look at it, you see this little nipple right here. The hole is supposed to line up with that, and that's to help align the bracket. So I apologize if I messed up. This is real life, you know what I mean? So sometimes you just gotta show the bad and you know, just roll with it. So this is how they should look. It's damn near 100 degrees right now, and it's about to be that all week. So yeah, just hit that like button for your boy and just pray for me real quick. All right, so same thing on this side. You see there is a hole here, but this specific headlight actually came broke. When I ordered it, customs didn't put it back into the shipping correctly, ended up breaking a couple things. So it does not have the nipple there, but this is how it should look. You should see the Feathers logo right there, and that's pretty much how it looks. So looks way better than those crazy brackets I had earlier. So yeah, again, big shout out to Feather Solutions. I'm gonna go ahead and put all this stuff back in the trunk or the boot, and then we'll go ahead and install that Battlecraft shift knob. It's freaking hot outside, guys. All right, so let me go ahead and put some light on the subject here. We have the Battlecraft shift knob, the Hold Fast edition. So this is the black version, and I recently picked up the aluminum finish one. So this is the regular Battlecraft. Originally what I wanted, it's the 44mm. I did have a, I think it's 40mm that was like aftermarket, and yeah, I was a little bit on the smaller side, but I actually do prefer this size. Pause. This one probably might be going up for sale. Hit me up. I'm not really sure how much I'm gonna sell it for, but let me know. Let's go ahead and take this one off here. And I think they recently just released this one, the Hold Fast one, if I'm not mistaken, but I don't think they've shipped them out yet. But it does say Hold Fast and Battlecraft. So I'm definitely going to keep this one. What I'll probably do is just throw it back in the same box that I got from them before, and save it for a rainy day if I want to switch up. I just think the black one, it was just like too much black in here already. So like having like some type of aluminum to kind of break it up is super nice. And ignore the dust. Sorry guys, it is super dirty in here. I haven't really cleaned the interior in a while, so excuse the dust while I wipe it down real quick. Let me know down in the comments how you guys like it. I think it will definitely accent the interior, and yeah, I don't know, Battlecraft shift knobs just feel great, man. Like, I don't know, everything is smooth. All right, guys, so that is gonna wrap it up for today's video. I know I'm wearing like a different shirt, different outfit, different day. I don't even know what day it is. I had to refilm it, like I said, but thank you guys for making it to the end of the video, because I know this one was a big fail, but you know what? I still posted it anyways, just to be transparent with you guys. Not everything is always gonna go according to plan. So in the next video, we're gonna be installing my new OEM, well, new to me, side skirts. So you guys do not want to miss that. You guys choose to watch my videos, and I appreciate that, and I thank you guys for that. I thank you for the likes. I thank you even for the dislikes. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for the bad comments. But yes, that is going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Before I forget, last thing, promise. Side skirts are for sale. These are FD2 style side skirts, painted taffeta white, ceramic coated, very, very good condition. I'm asking $300. I don't know, you guys can shoot me an offer. If they're still available, then I will post the status in the description. But if they're sold, I will post that they're sold. If you guys want them, hit me up. All right, I'm out.